Alright folks, there it is. Got this little 12-foot boat. Picked this up off of OfferUp. This half-ass trailer. But anyway, we're gonna fix this thing up a little bit. It's not in bad shape as it is. Just need a little love. All in all, ain't a bad thing, ain't a bad deal. I think what I'm end up doing is getting one of those trailers from Harbor Freight, the foldable trailers, so we can get rid of this junk here. Probably scrap that. But yeah, this is not a bad boat. It's got a live well over here. Looks a lot better since I cleaned it up. This thing was filthy. Still a little dirty, but we're gonna change a few things on here. So this will be this spring's project. Get this thing the way I want it. Put it out on the lake. Do a little fishing. So stick around for the boat project. Folks, here we are, day one with this project boat. Today, what I did was go ahead and took the stuff off of here that's not working, like this external light here, and did a little rewiring up in here because everything was kind of patched in, and set a battery down in here just to run some power through here to see what's working and what isn't. And our bilge pump was no good, so we just took that straight out of there because we really ain't going to use that. We'll just use a separate cooler. Then we went up to the front and testing these wires here. So what I want to do is put a cigarette lighter socket somewhere in here. And I don't know what I'm going to do with this. This, I do believe, came from a fish finder. I don't know, figure out some kind of way to eliminate that. But yeah, little problems I got to fix on here really aren't too big of a big deal. One thing I did notice back here, we're gonna have to fix our drain plug here because the one that was in here is crap, and it looks like somebody drilled this out to put a bigger size in here with a plug seal. So I got to figure out that situation there. And aside from that, everything else is working. I've tested the power to the lights, and we got power going here. I'll turn this light switch on. I don't know if you can see that light. Yeah, it just came on. So we got power flowing through there, and we got power going up to our front and our rear lights. So that's set. Yeah, aside from that, I'm just going to finish up what I got, and what I'm going to do, we're going to cover this back section with a piece of wood and build us some compartments with the lids. So that'll be probably part 2. So stick around. I'll see you on the next one.